Dear student, we'll start with exercise 6.4. In that first question, let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. See, suppose say if ABC is one triangle and DEF is other triangle. DEF is other triangle and both are similar. If two triangles are similar, so what does the area of similar triangle states? See, the area of two similar the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of corresponding sides. We are going to make use of that one and we'll find BC. So what is given to us? What is given? Area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeter square. Area of triangle DEF is equal to how much? 121 centimeter square. Next, and they have given EF which is equal to 15.4 centimeter. We need to find BC. So we have area, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to, so we need to find, since EF is given, which is the corresponding side for EF, that is BC. So BC whole square divided by EF whole square. Next, what is the area of triangle ABC? That is 64. Area of triangle DEF is 121 is equal to, what is BC? BC we need to calculate. I'll keep it as it is. EF, it is given, what is that? 15.4 whole square. See, if I shift square onto the left hand side, then square root of 64 divided by square root of 121 is equal to BC divided by 15.4. So I'll continue it here. So square root of 64 is nothing but 8. Square root of 121 is nothing but 11 is equal to BC divided by 15.4. Therefore BC is equal to 15.4 into 8 cross multiplication divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 4 left, 44. Decimal point. Okay, 11 fours are 44. 14 eights are 112. So after decimal one digit should be there. After decimal one digit is there. 11.2 centimeter. This one, the value of BC is 11.2 centimeter. Please note this one. Second question. Diagonals of trapezium ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium. With AB parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC. Intersect each other at point O. If AB is equal to 2 times DC, find the ratio of the areas of the triangle AOB and triangle COD. See, if I want to get the relation between these two, area of these two triangles, if I want to get the relation by the theorem, first I need to show these two triangles are similar. Once if I am able to show these two triangles are similar, then I can get the ratio of these two triangles through these two sides. AB and CD ka relation is given, that is AB is equal to 2 times CD. We'll write that down. So given AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to 2 times of CD. Okay. Now what we need to calculate? Area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle. Ratio we need to find. Area of this triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to what? That is the question. So for that we need to consider these two triangles AOB and COD. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle COD is equal to angle AOB. Angle COD is equal to angle AOB. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Please wait. Next, since AB is parallel to CD, so OAB is equal to OCD because they are alternate interior angles. See, AC is transversal and AB and CD are parallel. For that reason, OAB is equal to OCD. That only we can write. Or else OCD is equal to OAB. Alternate interior angles. Next, angle ODC is equal to angle OBA. ODC is equal to OBA. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. So vertically opposite angles. Okay. ODC is equal to OBA. This is because of alternate interior angles. So therefore triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. This is because of AA criteria. AAA criteria. Next, since these two triangles are similar, what can I write? Area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to AB whole square divided by CD whole square. Can we write? Because area of two similar ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to square of ratio of corresponding side. That is the theorem. So area of similar triangle theorem states the ratio of area of similar triangles is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So theorem. This is from theorem. So now what is, so let it be as it is. What is AB? In case of AB, what can I write? 2CD whole square divided by CD square is equal to 2 square means nothing but 4. 4CD square divided by CD square. This will get cancelled. That is 4 by 1. Or else area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to 4 by 1 or 4:1. This is the ratio. Please note this down. Third question. In figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles. ABC and DBC. ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base. BC. Right. ABC and DBC are the two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, AD intersect BC at O, show that area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. See, what is given? There are two triangles. ABC is one triangle and DBC is other triangle, and they have the same base BC. And V and AD and BC, they are intersect at O. That is the given thing, and we need to show area of triangle ABC is divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by BO. For that, we'll do one constructional part, that is, let AP and DM are the perpendiculars perpendiculars on BC. Okay. AP. One more is DM. Now, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to, how will find area of triangle ABC? ABC half into, what is the base? BC is the base for this particular triangle ABC. For ABC, BC is the base, and what is the height? AP is the height. Next, area of triangle DBC. Where is DBC? DBC. Okay. Half into base BC into what is height? DM. Okay. Now, of BC will get cancelled. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AP by DM. Where is AP? AP by DM. If we are able to show AP by DM is equal to AO by BO. Where is AO? AO by BO. Then we will get the required proof. So for that, which are the triangles that we need to consider? See, where is AP? AP is here. Where is DM? DM is here. So for that, what we need to do? Consider triangle APO and DMO. So in triangle APO and triangle DMO. Where is AP? APO, DMO. Okay. Now, angle AOP is equal to angle MOD, vertically opposite angles. So why we are doing this? Why we are continuing with this step? We have to show AP by DM is equal to AO by PO, AO by BO. For that, we need to show these two triangles are similar. Then, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides will be proportional. So for that, we are continuing with this step. So angle AOP is equal to angle MOD because these two are vertically opposite angles. Next, angle APO is equal to angle OMD is equal to 90 degree. This is through construction. Okay. Therefore, triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO. That is because of similar AA criteria. Now, what can I write? AP by DM. AP by DM is equal to AP by DM is equal to we need AO by BO. Sorry, this is AO by DO. AP by DM is equal to AP by DM. Then AO by DO. See, AO DO. Okay. So this is because of triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO. Therefore, we can write AP by DM is equal to AO by DO. These two are the corresponding sides and the ratio will be equal. So that is the reason. What can I write now? If I call it as in equation 2 and this as equation 1. So then equation 1 will become area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to, in case of AP by DM, what can I replace? AO by DO. AO by DO. So this is the required proof. We proved it. Fourth question. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, then prove that they are congruent. Suppose say I'll take ABC and DEF are the two triangles and they are similar. Okay, and even it is given that we need to assume that these two areas are equal, then we need to show this triangle is congruent to this particular triangle. Okay, so for that what we have given, area of triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and one more thing what we can write is area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. This is given thing. So since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, what can I write? I can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to what we can write? AB square divided by DE square, which is equal to BC square divided by EF square, which is equal to AC square divided by DF square. Fine. Now what can I write? Since area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF, so this and this will get cancelled. That is equal to 1 AB square divided by DE square is equal to BC square divided by EF square, which is equal to AC square divided by DF square. So through this what can I write? AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF because of SSS congruence criteria. So we proved the two triangles are congruent if they are similar and their area of triangle of their areas are equal. So if two triangles are similar and their area is equal, then if their area is equal, then what we can say? The two triangles are congruent. So this was asked us to prove, we proved it.